How to disable party in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can disable parties in Roblox. So in order to disable parties, simply launch a Roblox application by tapping onto the app icon, and once you have successfully inside the Roblox application, go to more by clicking onto this icon at the bottom right. Then under more, simply scroll down and click onto settings icon, and under settings you can see privacy and content restrictions, so click here. And now in this particular menu, click on communication, and under communication you need to click on party. So under the party you can see the first toggle that says who you can participate with in a one-to-one party up to 2 members. If set to no one, you will be unable to participate in parties. So in order to disable this, you can click it to no one, and also do the same for group party as well. So that's how easily you can disable party in Roblox. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.